What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's time. I wanted things to calm down. I wanted people to come out with sane heads before I make this video, but I've got an obligation, guys, to the internet. I want to give you my 2 cents in regards to the whole GameStop, my thoughts, how it affected the market, and if things like this continue, how it will affect the market in general and our trading style and strategy. But I want to just talk about really what's going on and what happened with GameStop. Now, if you're not aware of GameStop and what happened, guys, you had a pump and dump, and then that caused a short squeeze to happen. When the pump happened, a few traders on Reddit got together. Now, these people have been trading for a while, and they've been in this kind of community for a while. So they knew how to trade. They knew exactly the risk, and they were at the bottom. So when that pumped the stock, and this was a very low float stock, so it was easily manipulated. When that pumped the stock, guys, it caused a short squeeze. Hedge funds ended up covering their shares by buying those shares back, and it was a large volume, causing the stock to pop upwards. Now, these people made a lot of money. However, what I want to make this video is the people that came after ended up suffering a lot of losses. Now, look, this got coverage from everybody. Hedge funds, YouTubers, media agencies, celebrities, endorsed by celebrities. And their kind of cause was, yes, we gave it to the hedge funds. Fists were up in the air with this one. And surely the hedge funds lost a lot of money. And surely this happens every single day, guys. Manipulation in the market happens every single day. It just doesn't happen where it gets covered. But it happens with penny stocks every single day, where their stock is FDA approved, comes out with a catalyst. But those who trade those stocks are usually experienced traders. They're not moms and pops that just rolled in thinking, okay, let me double my money. Let me just put my money into this stock. But what I've been noticing is a lot of people say things that they really don't know the consequences to. Like when they say this stock is going to this certain price, and they're so confident in it and forcing people, and if you come out to speak about it, you get shunned. So the same people that used to diss retail traders came out to side with the internet, because obviously they're afraid of the internet. They're afraid of the people they're trying to please. So they don't want to say anything that could go against their word or their beliefs. But you gotta understand, guys, we have an obligation here. Doesn't matter who you are if you're trying to make money. I mean, we all know retail traders are crooks, hedge fund traders are crooks. And why I say that is because we're all here to make money. There is absolutely no brotherhood here. There's no brotherhood. There's no let's band together to kind of pump that stock, because surely if you pump that stock, you're going to dump on the other person. And that's something we got to understand. Let's not be hypocrites here. So, according to the SEC, guys, I want to read you a website from the article called Social Media Investing Stock Rumors. Now, if Reddit got involved in this, and I'm not sure if they did, but if the early kind of investors got involved in this, then this will cause a lot of investigations to happen. Maybe asset freezes also, because it clearly goes against the rules and, of social media manipulation. So, social media and the internet in general have become more important tools for investors. Investors may use social media to research particular stocks, look for background information on a broker deal or investment advisor, find guidance or investing strategies. While social media can provide many benefits for investors, it also presents opportunities for fraudsters. Through social media, fraudsters can spread false or misleading information about a stock in a large number of people with minimum effort and a relatively low cost. They can also conceal their true identity by acting anonymously or even impersonating credible sources of market information. One way fraudsters may exploit social media is to engage in market manipulation, such as spreading false and misleading information about a company to affect the stock's share price. Wrongdoers may perpetuate stock rumors on social media, as well as online bulletin boards and in internet chat rooms. Now, this has been released. This was released in 2015, guys. It happens every day. Reddit is no different. It happens in chat rooms, It happens on Twitter, whatever social media it happens. But if the words are used, a specific word is used to kind of manipulate a stock, and you tell the normal person that this stock is going to the moon or it's going to this, and they lose money, they can report you for that. I mean, that's something you gotta understand, guys. You know, once you get your fingerprints in the internet, on the internet, you become a liability now. You have a liability and you have obligations to the investor. To not say the wrong things, to be more general, not kind of, you know, affirmative in your words. Like, this is gonna do this. And I see this every day, guys, whether it's on Twitter, on Reddit, wherever you want to go. But if they get investigated, they can get their assets frozen, their money frozen, if, in fact, it's found to be manipulation. Because that person made money and he dumped on everybody else. So, in regards to Robinhood, they will also get investigated if it's found that they stopped people buying that stock. And look, if it wasn't for Robinhood, then that stock could have went to the moon, you know, and maybe even hit 500, 1,000, because it got so much attention, media attention, guys. But by the time those people heard about it in the news, and by the time it started getting endorsed, anybody that came after was a guinea pig, was the person that's going to get dumped on. A lot of people lost their life savings, and you got to understand that's how it works, guys, in these pumps. So, do you feel guilty here? I know I feel guilty, and I haven't even participated in that. Because I know when I'm making money, somebody else is losing money. But that's the reality of trading, guys. And I think these, you know, these social media kind of people, these celebrities, don't have a clue what's going on here. They think it's all us going against the hedge fund. It's not. It's us against hedge funds against hedge funds against everybody else. So hypocrisy is something I do not like, guys, and we just got to understand there's no brotherhood in this game. Absolutely no brotherhood in this game called trading. So as a rookie investor, you have to be careful here, guys. So with that being said, this happens every day in the stock market. This happens every day in cryptocurrencies. And I tried to do the same video in 2017, guys. Now, because I was telling the public things they didn't want to hear, obviously they don't like it, guys. But you got to understand that is the reality. And the moment you admit that, the smarter you get with how you allocate your money or where you put your money. But if this continues, then you will see a market shift, i.e. the money flown from all other stocks into one stock. So if you're holding a portfolio, then it's also bad for the investor, for the regular investor. It's bad for the retail investors holding a portfolio because all the money's being flown out from these stocks into this specific stock. And also, people start thinking, okay, this is a bubble. Now, according to J.B. Morgan, back in the day, he said, there's a little story, I'm just going to paraphrase it, but he said, you know, I got my shoe shined, and one day the shoe shiner tells me, I want you to invest my money and my friend's money into your company or in these stocks. And he said to his employees, sell every stock we have, because if the shoe shiner starts knowing about the stock market or knows about the stock market, then we're in a bubble. And that's why we had a nice correction a couple of days ago. It was because of that, guys, because people thought, okay, this is a bubble now, everybody knows about this. And that's what happens in 2017, guys. So it's starting to get a bit kind of out of hand. The SEC done absolutely nothing. They just sat down and watched. They can't do nothing, really. The internet took over at the end of the day. But I'm not speaking out about retail traders here, and I'm not with the hedge funds. Fuck the hedge funds. I'm just here to tell you guys, be safe. That's it. Be safe. There's no brotherhood in this game. Okay? If you really want to make money, you either come in early or don't even come in. Okay? By the time you heard about it, then it's too late. So, that's my 2 cents. Gotta go. Appreciate you for watching. Let me know your thoughts below. Hopefully nobody gets in trouble for that. And hopefully a lot of people made money. Not just lost money, but I know there's a lot of people that lost their life savings and they're still holding on to the bag, hoping to see when the stock will rebound. But you'll need the stock to really either get pumped one more time, i.e. Reddit comes together one more time to pump that stock to redeem themselves and have those people that lost money currently make money, or you just wait for the company to actually come out of bankruptcy and, you know, do well financially, and then, you know, sell at a good price. Otherwise, you're just holding the bag. Sell what you can and walk away. Simple as. Now, I know GameStop is such a hot topic on the internet that everybody's covering it nowadays, but I just wanted to give you my 2 cents here, guys. Peace and love, just like always, and I'll see you next time, just like always. Peace.